This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
Hey there, this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhone here with a video app review of an app called Plumber's Nightmare. This is from a group called Invasive Bamboo. This is a puzzle application that starts out, relatively easy and gets hard in a real fast way as you solve puzzles made out of pipes. Now there is a dripping water soundtrack that you can toggle on and off here. Otherwise, there's not really any kind of an tutorial, although there is a set of instructions as you begin playing. So we'll start there. This game is broken up into 3 different categories: easy, medium, and hard. And each of these sections has at least 20 levels. In the case of easy and medium, it's 25, and the hard levels are currently 20, for a total of 70 different levels to play. And as you can tell, we've been playing it for a little while. Don't let the fact that we've made some progress concern you. This application is going to take you a while to complete, thanks to some really hard stuff that happens. So here in the beginning, it does kind of walk you through how to play. You tap a pipe to turn it. And as you see there at the bottom, it tracks your moves as you make them. And the goal here is to use these pipes to build closed circuits for the water. Now as you move along and connect them, you'll notice they get highlighted in blue, so that's how you know if you are making progress or not. And actually, when you finish a level, you can tap it to do it again, or you can tap it to continue, or you can tap back to go back and see how you did. Now, the less number of moves you use, the higher your score is. Here, kind of a scoring system. It's 1, 2, or 3 of these dots. Right now, there's not integration, but there is a planned update to integrate this application into Game Center and to create an achievement section, which will be really convenient, I think. So as you see, even in the easy section, as you move along, these get a little more difficult. Now there are these pieces, these ones that have the red valve on them, and the goal with those is that they actually close off the end of pipes. So even if that is there and exposed, it's not a closed circuit anymore, it's fine, it's going to work just fine, and that's how you kind of progress through what you're doing. Now, again, it does keep track. You're going to have a scoring here, and this game gets super difficult and challenging. Something kind of cool, we were reading about this on the site for the application, the description. The developer actually goes in and hand makes these. He's not using a randomizer or any other kind of cheat. They're actually going in and creating each of these levels originally, which is nice. I think that adds a lot to the game play and development, because they're not just dealing with randomized kind of stuff. Let me go ahead and show you guys a medium one. They get a little bit bigger. This is an example of ones I've already kind of been working on. The good thing about these is that it saves your progress, so you don't have to start back from scratch every time you open it. I like that quite a bit. This game is pretty well priced. It's $1.99, available from iTunes, and it's universal. We're looking at it right now on the iPad, but it does work extremely well on the iPhone and the iPod Touch. These hard ones, just to give you an idea, I was working at this one for a while, and we've gotten to a certain point and we're stuck, but these are much more complicated, and are going to take you a lot more time to master and to complete. Same principles apply. We wish there was a little bit more variety, maybe some different schemes, maybe some different colors and functions to make the game a little more exciting. And we're definitely looking forward to the game integrating with Game Center. Just think it'll add a lot to the game as far as enjoyment and everything goes. But otherwise, again, a pretty good offering, definitely a solid application. It's fun to play, it's challenging puzzle-wise, and just kind of a cool thing to play, pass some time. And kind of get your zen on while you're solving puzzles. Here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, we did give this application a 3.5 out of 5 stars. It's definitely a good start. It's interesting, it's unique, it's just a bit simple. and could definitely do with some upgrades as far as variety, maybe in some designs go. But we do think the puzzles are just beautiful, extremely detailed, and very, very intelligently made. So we, definitely an A+ for effort, and a good first start here on this application. So again, with a video app review of Plumber's Nightmare, this has been Valerie Lauer with the iPhoneAppReview.com. Until next time.